Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gists. Apropos anything we don't concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see say this channel with the column. Apropos Saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel, news and gist what they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. It don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I go leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
Hello, my people. Hello, my brothers and sisters. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anywhere one a day. I greet you according to una time and location. And according to my late brother, late Dr. Guname, I greet you all with peace. I greet you now with love. Now welcome to Video Talk Show, the Ogbonge talk show, where we for the talk about life, peace, home, and family. So this morning, they say too much of everything is bad. This message this morning, Mona help me go invite Sarah and Vera, the bad head. Awu dan, emo dan ne nikegbe danri. Mona go help me invite the con. Sarah, that one where they open nyash for social media, and Vera, aka finding the truth, Bontroway of 5 when they Germany. Wanna go call the con. I dey do this video not because of say Vera get wetin do me personal. I dey do this video because of the bad character of Vera, and especially that evil sister Omuki Sarah. Ne Sarah ya live video no suhungu no na ya va jeve imi no imi va boni jere Sarah no live video ivie doni mari o carry o gede o tie bona ivie doni makporu no su gboge ari ewe bode ivie dossier ne nije Vera na biele kwa ve sie bo ma seti koko ni va bol la je gbe va gbon ni va bol la ravige su hungu yan ni biele modan kwa da. Una dey see my post for there. It is better for you not to born than to born plenty children, plenty evil children like Vera, Sarah, and other of their evil family members for this world. Oma no ma bie, oma seje Sarah no le imi gwiwa. Ije Vera no suhungu no le imi gwiwa. No do biele emi dan, no do biele ologoma. You see ana? E Vera ve Sarah uhu dan ogbabe a uhu esusu. Uhu no gya. Eke ya fefe ni aririaje. If they be your friend, their head go they bring you bad luck. Their head go they bring you setback. Their head go they bring you failure. Their head go they bring you a curse. Okay, check the life of Sarah now. Check am. No ya like webo. He no get one particular thing to show for her life. Nothing. Na husband, he no get. Na children, he no get. Na house, he no get. Na property for Nigeria home and away, he no get. Now when they make Vera, I no say that Vera no even girlfriend. Wani no see Sarah. Wa mukpa muwere. Wa ya besusu here that muware. I just dey see many video now about one lady when they call Sarah friend. You see? People like Sarah, they because people. You no go fit be friend to Sarah. Na gboma we because when they Sarah vivi jeje, agbon set in mayan. E mona zebie no ji. Iyana doga e mona bie ya zizobo ya da. E moni wari zobo zobo iyari oga so iyari oga van. Awo wuko no kpai go. How you go be friend to Sarah? You go expect to get a responsible home, a responsible husband. And you go expect to achieve anything good for your life. Una we be friend to Sarah. One leniya, lene Sarah. Dan ogba beno. Dan. You won't even they make friends with all manner of creepy things. This one I open at that. Before you make anybody your friend, check the life of that person. Don't be a man, get boy, get family, okay? Iye ma bo ma we, era ma, ije ma, oten ma, egbe ma. E Nigeria boya suse la webo, wagi la webo agbon ma wa deke na agbon ama ya ma wa egbe yimi. E sera no suhu nu ju level kan ya va jue no re yimi va bo. Why you live video? No be Bini people make you the craze. You talk out for one of your videos say una no be Bini. Imagine if you don't see you egbe. No ana ne training ana gbo esera. E training ohian gbo ewe. O ame ne gbikia e. Nu we kame na ne here no. Until ura bo hivye do ekunre. And this message goes to una when no say you not be Bini. You grow for Bini not make you be Bini. You grow for Edo State not make you be Edo. Then you they speak the language, the grand otono edoni ofie da enu wane. Or sheka wane. Then una go con live video, una go open page, begin to bite the finger when feed your mama and papa. No ana you level can ya va jouer the imi va bonoje no ana sungu e sera no ana me gbikia we ka me fio boy you ere la lo ne to ame me gbikia e u me you go we the fire la we tree. My people, you know why they vex? People like Vera and this evil sister. I mana waya who evil forest nyahin. E Vera le boy. Susu. Our parking you pangolokpa aya finya for vivo forest. Because anything they touch na cause. Anywhere they go na cause. Anything they make friends with. If they make friends with you, you'll be married woman, you go become single. If they make friends with you, you get paper, you go come, they live without paper. If they make friends with you, before you get work, you come they jobless. They be very useless and cost people. See now. Check the life of Vera. Vera when come live video, they find the truth about another person marriage. Check the life of Vera. 3 children, 2 papa, 8 children with 3 fathers. 8 children with 3 fathers. Just check the life of Vera. Now paper, now work. Common human hair. If you go AliExpress, you go see 60 euro human hair back. By this time of the day for Europe, Vera still they use rubber hair, rubber colored hair. Rubber colored hair. Very useless cause family. Go check out that one when say Imaro Ibo that day. Wani mare bonoma no gele dey responsible awala hin wagbere. If tomorrow now people begin to insult una, how can you marry Oyibo when they don't know for face? How can you marry Oyibo for Spain? You dey do a shower for Switzerland. You don't do a shower for social media, mommy not there. Who will he away home delivery here? You don't go do home delivery for Belgium. You don't still go do home delivery now for Switzerland. And yet you say you marry Igbo. No car to show for it. No house. No paper. No children. No investment. Nothing. Esera noro yage dele nona me Bob Marley lania. Natiri with all cap it get. That one when he feast all lo de yo yes zaboga mwenya hu. Oye we no mwe a basket fruit in yahu. They buy one slim one no mu yahu. We marriage oge osio e benjon. They buy one other one no collie no a gold color. Tell me another human hair. Tell me the kind dress. I dey listen to one woman some days ago. He said when he dey see Sarah, me can't they look my. I can't they imagine because that Sarah I never see anything. On my no man zige Mickey, zige Pampas, zigo wabe ni etai, zigo pa. Yet I am you pant movie. Tell me one cloth. Or one human hair when a bone straight in a rain in anya as a single girl. Ne sera emu nyahu or no ejo yegbe. Error. Very useless family. Mona run from them. Una when they call Vera. Una when they make friends with Vera. Emi dano si an cut of egbe. Okay, I see you koto. Yes, una need to run from them. They because people. How can you get 5 children when you know they call 5 generation men for that matter, male children for that matter? Then the same you go sit comfortable, they analyze people life. Emaniviya warewe bobe mana, emano wako kiviya bema. Oh, oni ogi mao, egi ma, as far well Daniel. No, the government is severe and no cocoa. It shows that now good mom. But you when you own, even me and you when they listen to me so, when I get children for Nigeria, with the high level of insecurity for Nigeria now, when it be say you know fit travel from Edo to Auchi without kidnapping, with the high level of ritual killing, with the high level of food cost, the way things they dear. Me, I dey panic, I dey fear, not to even talk of woman when leave 5 children for war front. O dawo ko ve Nigeria. Ori vine make up iyawo omwe a rubber human head, a rubber nyahu. Odo total ye live video. Ora mi no kian no man kian se. Ora mi no rieve I no man ve. No be juju be that. My people, not be juju be that. Not be juju be that. Not be juju be that. Eh? You when leave your 5 children, 5 squad for front of war in the middle of this desert of nowhere. Eh? Responsible people when cost not they their family, when juju not they worry. Ne boma egbe no ragbon. Oma no ri bi o meha o meva o me no missing. Yowa no sari adie webo. Their first aim is to come abroad, get paper, get work. If Vera no be cost person, by now Vera supposed to don build her life to that level of going home 2 to 3 times a year to go check on the children. This live video, I don't know as una take there. You see person when dirty no waru we quarrel. Or we live video why ya adam e hoy. Oma no ware we bo. Tomorrow next year now we want enter next 2 months now we don't enter new year. Vera go still come out now tell say 4 years in ye we bo. Me don't see person when enter abroad man for this city here. He married with 1 child. Now my friend. He come out for camp. He dey camp. God bless him with these 6 months. They give him sleep. Person when really ready for life. A man, he enter market, all the money when he gather for shoro, he use and buy shoes, he buy clothes, he buy things. Guess the way person take dey value family and value life, he use sleep enter Nigeria. Because even when he dey go, me myself I dey fear. They say, bros, why you not stay where you first get the paper? He said no. Because the condition when he take leave his wife and son was bad. Yes. He spent 1 year plus for Libya road before he enter. 6 months now he dey when they give a paper, which is exactly 2 years plus, going to 3 years. He want run go hands to go refresh in memory. To go know how his wife, how his son dey, where to start from. So that when he come back, when he go dey double in hustle, he go know where to dey direct in arrow, in target to. We pray, we panic together. He go, he come back. He go, he come back. Because Orion Huan Salobo dege ewe. Inwi no mama mu ebe di agbe. A man o Salobo Orion blessed even more than the way God don't bless him. O Salobo na swejo, ona swere. O one a Nigerian a mani re. A Nigerian ajo no me be o ya me issue, but person when they aduro camp you 6 months stay go Nigeria. This one are my person. Yes, he said because he promised his son, say he go try and make sure say he dey go check on them. He go and come back. When he go come back, guess what? He look for work. Today, wetin I dey tell you, that bros, he did this my city here. He dey work, and in the evening, he go dey pick things, they arrange them, they reclean them, they re-maintain them, they send them home when he take go open shop for his wife. That bros they travel go Nigeria every year to go check on his family. They vera manerere banano because owe ehwe no wegbe o azin o mano mie vera be sera no vije no male o wo hia wa amia babo giavan o ma wa atin you wa dege no yo bozeken wa dege all manner of nonsense no yo bo mahun no shati be like this one had broad daylight witchcraft. Because azokpa, a real life, all the giving why am so edege mamie efe no gbe weni emego ni na gbonve imi dege awo sonwu pona ya cut off your kwa work make dustbin ni ya paint ya hin gold and silver be kovun na gbonve imi ge as a rag yen dege fe edege mi ni why ya say you no go get. You no go see those things when people take better person. Now only wish now they behave like that. When he makes they move, you know they move. Because he get where he they see, he get where he they live, when me and you know they live, when me and you know they live on. Person like Vera when he head correct, when get 5 children, supposed to come this abroad. Her aim and objective is to look for document, get a job, and as she they work, they gather, they build her account, they build her paper, they plan to build the children back to Europe here to have a good life. At the same time, she go still they travel home for the meantime to go check on their well-being. Oh ya gba oriyan. No gbete wori pete. Ne ye school wori ye school. I dey see some comment where Papa Ayo for call one of our live video presenter. They say the man a useless man. Papa the race speaking. You won't go write that comment and I go punish your head. Now God I go punish you. A vera no ran with a via bieno, we are not even tiera. What do you expect? Nigeria, no matter the kind condition and the evil when they Nigeria, even if you be rich man, the condition will still humble you and make you small. Not to even talk of man when not get money or who of your more. Or who yen who one in the support a vera who wa be a qua. I won't done it babe. Awe more done it keg be done require down near done. May God punish you now. Obana samek bobono bona na samek bobono. Yahuan. For the man to accept the children alone is a huge responsibility. You think say easy? You think say easy? To the shoulder 5 children. You think say easy? If it's easy, why you not pack your children and go look for one of your sisters for abroad? Name me know who. No way have you more than we are okay. Agba my sister, we are my house go one. Umane no we are ni vie money ninia. E ken soro ne hian setting jo. Runde mono mewowa, not be single man. Taking those children alone, the man has already played his own part. Because okbia or abandon no monoko. Who abandon no monokbia. The presence of that man in the life of that children, he don't play his own role already. As their mama there abroad, she's supposed to play her own role too. And let the love circulate, envelop the children, and give them good life. If I don't total a live video, oh, belikia no worry barrier no ewu. Esera no ro to even show where egbe dan fua. Egbe dan awuhun dan. Esera na ladian. Some days ago, some weeks ago, he was wrong about his sister Vera. This Sarah and Vera, gay, iya wa se awe susu when I bie susu here dore I want biya se junction ari parking you we blast elofin I am kukua aya gwale e dustbin na badon yegbo aya fiyan kuwe tankini. Very useless people. The man when children dey with now they call for live video some days yesterday now when they confirm say those children still remain the same condition when their mama tell leave them. But because Sarah and Vera get the mission to destroy because they don't frustrate, I worry and woman. I worry and eminori and woman ma when I am woman kwanu wasu hugunu wagbeo uwagbeo e Sarah. Then una we mi ye dogu eri yunura use una ya fiu nu gie ekonoma suppose nu fiu nu gie iye ya na ladian iye na ga ini anu e. But since then now you they do video they insult Edo people when not they insult you. Because if I they look some of una for this live video I go just they laugh. Bon wa obohan no we mi ana gwegui obohani o ma we de gbe we mi ni we mistake oyawe. But you see that pikin when do bad, you beat him, and that pikin go still go back to that bad when he do. He go they tell you say, he just want tell you sorry, not be say wetin you do. He no say na plan work. Yes, just know. Because you insult where you not supposed insult, you apologize. If really na mistake, if really you were sorry, Sarah, you supposed to remove your mouth from everything when concern that place and focus on your life. You not get life, your sister not get. Useless. Yes, outside camera, I get some things when I go do. I get brothers and sisters, families when they press me to order. Do I go am useless? Only me gbine dion we mi live video no do afio boy you he. unu ivie gbine dion we emie na wo bie he kwa vi gwe odo agbeli kan e live video du wa egbe dan wu dan ne no tono edoni na misplace wa otono edoni because when e sera no wo ke ladian uwo vi soko wa hin uwu wa o ye do we still let's interview we erube ta the video wa there erita no re jemi ga we saga ugwe iyamaye ogwa igo bisoko wa hin ware dori ari edo otonu edoni nu wa lo yeji no rie mari umeri ofigbon nu wa neru wa bijuwa ya kokugwa ohin ahu wa gbe ohin eni dano roto nu edo no ohin ade ba mi no ma no tonu edo ni rie nu were vera no visual na ina mi wa imu mi vie do wa mu anya hu ohin agbugwa weke nu ware ri aye we no zi aboyu wa gbe na oyi fie meme ba meme no ru wa gbe wa yi meme gbikia e wa yi meme makpa wa yi meme mako wa yi meme fo never born la wa gbe wa yo bu wa ya kan like train e train iri go hu wa kwa awun dan you Sarah you come out some weeks ago after you don't join your sister because una family they do una yes una be real cause people. No family will not get stubborn person. Normal family, every normal family get one stubborn person. Yes, it must stay inside. But none of other family members go ever they be like that stubborn one. The rest go be positive. Why that one wire will be negative go always stay there. And those positive go they press that negative down. Make for not come disgrace the family. But you see your family, Sarah, all of una na negative wire from your papa to your mama to your family. I even listen to your last born that day. Magaya vebo be social media. Omone e Monaco kose na biele na mayazi zobo yada. Ah you we vebo no we mine. Where are they vebo? Or show what you wa bielu wa e kwi you wa ni o worry no ya biele mi dan. O hian worry o hian sungun. If a ball like bebe even no genie. Yes. If a ball like be because we na ya be more than when I say fu ejo I fear yo enough because you want join your sister Vera for to possess the bad thing esage down no ruwai here egbe na ya gbugogo na ya toge na ya gbe no magboma na ya muemiria you can't go join your sister Vera. They lie say you don't know you made mistake when you can't take thought through say Vera no they take care of his children and now you realize say that they take care of them when you know too well Sarah but dan ya fefe nu tieni vie do no na deba ogun gbu ebe wonu riri ase where you were lying say your sister no they call those children. Say your children, your sister don't even know anything about her children. The same your sister udeye ebonu wa tieni vie do ni mari wa carry wa gede. Kenori wa ni kenomari wa bi ohian gbugwa. Why tough as you want? Why they tough as you want? How can Vera your sister bring that man when they pay school fees for his children? When Vera not too well say yene missing next school, then the same you Vera, the same you Sarah, go bring out those people. They tell the whole world how useless they are, how stupid they are. People when they feed take care of their children, oh, people when they feed their children, when they clothe their children, when they give their children best education, even when the ones when they not even feed give themselves. But the same you, when not even feed your children, when not even feed and clothe your children, when you get 17 years old pikin, 17 years for abroad, don't already be graduate of a university. Vera get 14 years old pikin, when not even get primary 6 common entrance certificate. Then the same you go online video, they cause people when better pass you. Eboya fefe nu wa tieni vie do. Ohian de beva eva menu wa won otedoni. Ohian zogun gbu wa sera. Ohian zogun gbu ebe bonu riri age. Ohian zogun gbu evera. Ebe bonu riri age e prier. Ogun hian gbu e. Ogun hian gbu e. You when no fit feed your pikin. You no fit feed your pikin. You not fit. The same you go bring out people no be and work by family yan. You know why? Sarah, Vera, the more live video you do to cause people, the more deep you dig your grave. Because when your children matter come out, agbonve ini or donate agbonve ini o efie va eni emonu we no lajan wewe. You understand? Agbonve ini o efie va eni emonu we bie. And those people wanna they come cause for live video in one way or the other. Don't feed your niece, your cousins, your sister children. Igi ye do rokpa omona ye kenu edo ni hue ona are va ona are hi ona aro figbon ni vie vera o tonu edo ni na e wese rokpa nugwa o tonu edo ni han zogun